What is up, everyone? Little update today. I'm actually headed to get a trailer. We're gonna get the Mustang loaded up and take it down to the local shop. I tried yesterday to try to get it tuned right. I just can't seem to get it there. It's whining real bad. Power steering pumps, I guess, going out on it. It's been a while since it ran, other than yesterday. But I think we got it pretty close. I'm going to take it down to the local shop. We're going to get it loaded up here in just a minute and try to get it down there and see if it can get me tuned up and ready to go. I'd like to try to maybe get it to the drag strip next weekend if that's possible. But we'll see. We'll figure it out. Other than that, thanks for watching and stay tuned. Alright, get the car loaded on the trailer. We're fixing to take it to a guy's shop named Donnie. He's pretty good at loading engines. That's Rob doing what he does best. We're gonna get this down to Donnie, get it tuned. Started pretty good. We drove it right up on the trailer, so that's a plus. I got it pretty close, but not close enough. But we will see you guys at Donnie's and we'll get this thing tuned.
This trailer's really
Ellen Ford is brand new.
still needs TLC. Holly thinks it right out of the box. You gotta do some stuff too. You gonna tell them what you're doing?
Yeah, in just a second. You know what? Don't pressure me, okay? So, after talking with this master mechanic here, he's gonna take the car for a little bit, and then I'm gonna get it back from him. He's going to do some things with it to make it run better. And hopefully that'll be the end of it. Then we take it to the drag strip. And then we blow it up just to be rebuilt again.
Booty!
And just like that. Well,
Holly life.
Holly life.
You want to show me how to work that?
It's just the red button.
I mean, I figured, but I didn't want to just hit it and lose all the footage. You know, I'm a retarded. I know what's wrong with me. I ain't got no teeth in me.
Alright, so we got the carburetor off. We're going to leave it here with him. He's going to rejet it, have a little fun with it, hopefully make it run absolutely perfect, and we can get it to the drag strip. I would love to run this and see exactly what it will run. So for now, that's it. He said, got the carburetor off. We're gonna leave it on the trailer. Hopefully, I've got to work. Hopefully, Monday afternoon, we can do something with it. But other than that, I'm signing off. See you guys later. Thanks for joining us, and I'll keep you updated. What's going on, guys? Good news. Carburetor's back. It's at Robbie's house. We're fixing to go down there, get that. We've already put it on. We've already tested it. Runs great. I'll get a clip of all that. Okay, I'll get a clip of all that. Other than that, we're about to jump on the bike and head that way. So I will see y'all in just a minute.
You want a beer or something? I got Crown Royal whiskey.
Huh?
Oh shit, here we go again.
Am I good?
Yeah. Oh, you better roll back.
Hey, in all seriousness, this episode is brought to you by America. What you doing, pretty girl? They all like what?
All up.
Yeah, it's all the same. Got the car in the garage. We're gonna take the wheels off so we can get the headers off, put new headers on it, and then we're gonna run it with open headers. He got a new Ryobi thing, so he's really excited. But anyway, these are the headers we're putting on it. Nice, shiny chrome. Hopefully it's gonna be loud, sounds better. They're larger diameter. So we're gonna get these on. I'll come back and let you hear it. See you in a minute. And just like that, we have headers completely off. From this side, hi Rob, excuse me Rob, to that side. We're gonna run it open headers and see what she sounds like once we get the headers on. And yeah, so be right back. Dang, somebody beat the crap out of these. Look at that.
Oh shit.
That's restricted flow. Don't need those where we're going. Be back. Ladies and gentlemen, don't laugh at me. We got the headers on. Sparkly, brand new, fantastic. Don't laugh at me, Reagan. Brand new open header. This is the first initial start. So it's going to be interesting on how that goes. I'm going to sit you here. And let's do it. Fire it up! Well, we're going to have to set it down. I think the angle that it's at, it's not getting fuel pressure.
Probably not. They have this carburetor.
There you have it. Started with the headers. We're going to have to get some smoke coming out down there for whatever reason. Probably brand new coming off of it. Give us a minute. We're going to put the tires on, set it down on the ground, and try to get it to stay running. Be right back. Alright, take two, trying to get it running. We set it down on the ground. Hopefully the fuel pressure will be good. See what it does.
She's definitely loud. That's for sure. That didn't sound good. Oh yeah, she's definitely louder. Oh, she sounds good. Oh yeah, that definitely opened that car up.
Take 37. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed. The Mustang's running freaking fantastic. It's just open headers. I'm trying to think of something to do for an exhaust. Maybe do some cutouts. I don't know yet. Got to get the gauges in it. There's no gauges, no cooling temperature, no oil pressure. So don't really want to run it that hard. Still got to change the valve springs in it. But other than that, Robbie, you got anything for the people?
I promise my garage will be clean next time.
And that's the second time he said that because I kept messing up the video. But anyway, like, subscribe, comment. See you, bye.